And welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to generate a backdoor using Weevely. A backdoor is a method which allows you to access a system remotely without proper authentication. So let's get started. First of all, open a terminal and type Weevely to see the options. Now I'm going to generate a malicious PHP file using the following command. Weevely generate and here put the password. In my case I'm going to use pass and then the name of the file, which is shell.php. So now you need to upload the PHP file to the website which you want to gain access. For that I'm going to use my vulnerable web application and select upload. Then look for the PHP file which is located in user share Weevely and click upload. Now you need to know the directory where the file is uploaded. Mine is hackable/upload/shell.php. So I will copy the link address and switch back to my terminal and type Weevely and paste the address here. And then put the password and press enter. As you can see, I have a session where I can execute commands. For example, I will type system info to get details about the server, or file ls to list the directory contents. The web server is running on Windows, so I can type netstat-an to display a list of all open network connections on the computer. To learn more, type help to see all the things you can do. So you learn how to perform a cross-site request forgery attack. But first of all, let's understand what is cross-site forgery. Cross-site request forgery is an attack that tricks a web browser into executing an unwanted action in a web application where the user is logged in. This means that the victim will need to be logged in order for the attack to succeed. And with a little help of social engineering, such as sending a link to the victim, an attacker may trick the user to perform changing requests, like transferring funds, changing passwords, and so on. To demonstrate how cross-site request forgery works, I will use my vulnerable web application with the security level set to low and go to CSRF. In this page you can change your admin password. So I will put my new password pass and click change. To test the new password, I will relog in. Okay, so for this video I will show you how you can change the victim password, which is pass in my case. For that you need to use right click and select view paste source and copy this form right here and then paste the content into a text file. To make the code cleaner, I will remove the BR tag and change the message here to click the button below to claim your prize. And use the H1 tag if you want. Then change the input type in the password field to hidden. Now to change the victim password, you need to add value equal here and put the new password. So I will use the word cracked for the new password in both fields and change the value here to claim your prize. And then you need to copy the link up here and paste it in form action. At this point you will need to save the form as HTML. The name doesn't matter, so I will save the file as prize.html. If the victim opens the file and clicks the prize button, then the password will be changed to cracked. To demonstrate that the password was successfully changed, I will log in again and use inspect element and change the input type to text, because I want you to see the password in clear text. And if I press login, you can see the password is working fine. I'm going to show you how to perform a simple phishing attack using the social engineering toolkit. But first of all, let's understand what is phishing. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack used to steal user data, including login credentials and credit card numbers. It occurs when an attacker sends a malicious email address or fake website to the victim. For example, a phishing email appearing to come from a bank may warn the user that their account has been compromised, directing the user to a fake website, where their username and password can be reset. This website is fake, designed to look like the original one, but is only to collect login information from victims. To perform the attack, I will switch to my Kali machine and open a terminal and type set toolkit to start the social engineering tool. And I'm going to use social engineering attack and website attack vectors, and then the credential harvester attack method. And here select site cloner. Now you need to put your IP address. For that, open a new window or terminal and type ifconfig and copy the IP address and paste it here and press enter. Here you're gonna type the URL which you want to clone and make a fake website. So in my case, I'm going to use hackthisite.org, but you can clone any site you want. Once done with that, press enter, and now the attack is live. At this point, all you have to do is get somebody to access your IP address. You can do this by sending an email to the victim and mask the IP address using a link shortener such as bit.ly.com. Okay, so now let's try to type my IP address in the browser. And you can see the site was successfully cloned and looks exactly as the original one. But if I put the email address, for example, johngmail.com and password let me pass, then the credentials will be captured here. And you can see the username and password which I have typed. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.